Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Nissan Juke door panel full guide. Start by disconnecting the battery and gathering a Phillips screwdriver, trim tool, and plastic clips. Pry gently at the lower edge to release clips, then remove the speaker cover and door handle screws. Disconnect the window switch harness and lift the panel away, keeping fasteners organized. Test operation before reassembling to ensure everything functions correctly and safely. Before you begin, lay out tools and a soft cloth to protect paint and trim. Remove small trim pieces and locate hidden screws behind covers and in the armrest. Use a panel popper to gently unclip the door panel, moving from the bottom upward to avoid breaking plastic tabs. Keep track of each fastener in order and take photos if you need alignment reference during reassembly. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful videos. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading manuals or repair guides while you wait on parts, and it's easy to hold in a cramped garage. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Start by removing visible screws along the door edge, handle, and armrest, then pull off the speaker grill. Use a trim tool to work around the bottom edge and release each clip slowly, lifting the panel away once clips clear. Disconnect the window and lock harnesses by pressing tabs and pulling straight out, then set the panel on a soft surface. Reinstall in reverse order, testing switches and locks before final tightening.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.